Hey, nice seeing you. I just want to show you how you can bulk export multiple banners at once from the Zuuvi app. So you can export banners in two ways from the app. You can do it individually or with a whole campaign. So right now I'm into my Zuuvi app, and over here I have a campaign with four banners. Instead of downloading and exporting them by once, then I can just bulk export them. I'm just clicking this icon here, and then I can choose the display network I want the banners to be placed on, for example, ad form, and then just download ad form banners. Then I got a zip download with all the four banners. They are gathered in at once, so now I can upload them to my display network or send them to my agency. That's how easy it is actually. One thing you should be aware of if I'm going into this campaign, then you can see this green icon. That means the banners are published. So make sure that every banners in this campaign are saved and published when you're working with them. If they are red, you can't bulk export them. You need to go into the banner and then say, okay, this banner is confirmed, and then you can bulk export them. That was it. So bye.